Signs of caffeine overdose. Caffeine is one of the most popular stimulants on the market, and for good reason. It's a powerful stimulant that can help you stay alert and focused. However, like any drug, too much caffeine can have negative consequences. In this video, we're going to discuss the signs of caffeine overdose and how much is too much. We'll also discuss the symptoms of caffeine overdose and what you can do to prevent them. By understanding the signs and symptoms of caffeine overdose, you can make sure that you don't overdo it and end up with negative consequences. Signs of caffeine overdose. If you're like most people, you enjoy a good cup of coffee at least once a day. Caffeine is a stimulant and can be addictive, so it's important to be aware of the signs that you might be drinking too much caffeine. First and foremost, caffeine is addictive. As your body becomes more tolerant to its effects, you may begin to experience increased anxiety and restlessness as well as difficulty falling asleep. If any of these symptoms are beginning to interfere with your daily life, it's best to cut back on your coffee intake gradually rather than trying to quit cold turkey. If you experience any of the other symptoms, such as irregular heartbeat, tremors, or dizziness, it's worth checking in with your doctor. How much is too much? It's the morning after a night of partying and you're feeling the effects. Your head is pounding, your body is shaking, and you can't get to sleep. What's going on? Symptoms of caffeine overdose include tremor, heart palpitations, anxiety, headache, insomnia. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's best to cut back on the caffeine or quit completely if you want to avoid withdrawal symptoms like headaches and fatigue. What are the symptoms? Symptoms of caffeine overdose can also include jitters, tremors, and an elevated heart rate. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to seek medical help. To wrap things up, caffeine is a powerful stimulant and can be dangerous if consumed in large amounts. If you experience any of the symptoms of caffeine overdose listed above, it is important to seek medical help immediately. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to caffeine consumption. Too much of anything can be harmful, so make sure to drink coffee in moderation and always listen to your body. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more awesome coffee videos.